Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G60S and let me show you how to record slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using the settings bar and just simply going to right. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. Now let's focus on video category and tap to slow motion. So here we are, we can easily start recording this type of video now by tapping on the big shutter button at the center. We can also tap to this small button above the shutter to get access to more options about slow motion we can manage. We can, for example, pick resolution from FHD to HD and frame rate from 120 to 240, so the speed of our video. Now let me pick, for example, this one, and let's start recording to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the right one that follows us straight to the gallery, and here we can play it by using center button. And as you can see, this is how slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.